What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the W, the I, the Z, the T, the I, the E-33. Now today, guys, I'm bringing you the unboxing of my new laptop that I just got back in from Amazon. This one was a used version that I bought. I thought I bought the new version. I don't know. Whatever. So we're going to check it out together and see if it's okay. I showed you guys the beginning of the unboxing. So we're about to get this thing cracking right now. And hopefully you guys enjoy, because I'm about to enjoy right now. All right, let's get right into it. All right, so we know that it came with charger, came with one of these thingies. You know I'm not good with this stuff. This is also an Ethernet cord, which is beautiful. I'm glad they sent me this. I don't have to buy one. Finally, Asus or anybody's doing their job. MacBook would never give you this. They would just give you a freaking, no bash on MacBook. I love MacBook, but they would never give you this, and they would expect you to buy their accessories. So they gave me one for free, which is awesome. Okay, and this is a hand rest. Now, why would Busy need a hand rest? Oh, why? Why would he need one? We'll see. We'll see what the laptop entails. Okay, so we're opening the laptop now. You guys can see. Ooh, look at that beauty. Oh, look at that beauty, guys. Wow. Wow. Black on black metal finish. I'm not trying to touch it so I can show you guys. Let me flip it over for you guys. It has like goldish trim here on the side. You see how thin this is? This is about a dime's height of a dime right now. All the way around. 2 USB ports here. USB-C type port here. On the back here, just the fans, the excess fan that comes out, the excess heat, I should say, it comes out of the back. And here you have two more USB type A's, and this is HDMI, and here you have your headphone jack, which is also a mic adapter. So the other one I had a headphone jack, but it was not a mic adapter, so it did not take the mic at all. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the chassis. Okay, now I have not seen this. We're gonna get into the chassis. I have not opened it yet. I have seen it on the pictures, but I have not opened it yet. So this is the first time I'm opening it. Hopefully we get this good footage and you guys enjoy. Okay. All right, so we're gonna get all this out of the way. I'm sorry I don't have a great setup for you guys. Like I said, I am moving, in the process of moving, so I'm gonna get these things out of the way. We're gonna get all this out of the way right now, and we're gonna open this. So here we go for the first time. Boom. I just touched it here, so it might be a fingerprint there. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Now here is a drive area. This is all the drive and everything like that. And as you can see, the keyboard has been pushed down. And this is, guys, one of the slimmest gaming laptops out right now. Okay, so this is like a 2018, early 2018 model. Definitely banging, guys. I love it. I love the design. I love the screen ratio, the body ratio, everything. I have this here. Okay, this is a dope fan. This is the fan that goes under the laptop, holds the laptop. It has its 5 fans here. I had an extra fan just in case, guys, just in case. Basically, this here comes off, and as this comes off, you drop it here. Boom. Place it in here. You got the back side still that you can lift. Alright. And you place your laptop right on top of it here. And boom, you're good to go. Alright, guys. Alright, one of the coolest things about this here is that the bottom lifts right here. If you look at the bottom, that airflow, creates more airflow, so more air comes in and more air comes out, basically creating one of the slimmest laptops with the slimmest noises, so you will not hear anything really. You cannot really hear any fan speeds, or you know how the fan be kicking in sometimes, and sometimes be like whoosh while you're playing. This does not happen. So here we're gonna go right now and boot it up. Any questions you guys may have, that's one of the features that I do love about this laptop, is that it does stand on its own, and it definitely has, like, if you want to check the back out, it definitely has its own, almost like a kickstand, if you guys can see. It's almost like a kickstand, guys. It's pretty dope. I like it. So here it is right here. And we're going to check out the bottom because we didn't check out the bottom with you guys. So when you close it, you can see, boom, it closes. And here's the bottom. Bottom is like almost a polycarbon finish right here, which is pretty dope. I like this finish here. Pretty easy, accessible. You just have these drives, these screws here, and that's it. You pretty much lift, and that's it. All right. So we're going to boot it up with you guys for the first time. And hopefully, like I said, the screen is not bad. And we don't have any problems because that's what happened last time. So booting it up now, guys. You can see the RGB logo. Oh, you saw that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Excuse any mess you guys see. Alright, as we're going on right now, we have no tear in the screen, no problems. Okay, this is dope. I'm loving it once again. Okay, make sure the buttons. You see that there's no damage to the screen, which was my biggest issue in the last one. It had like a tear right here, like a little pixel damage here, but this one seems to be rolling with the dough.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
And she's talking to me, guys.
Sign in here, touch a Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay.
You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way.
Damn, girl, you're talking too much.
If you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay. Alright, enough talking. She's talking way too much.
United States.
So let me shut her up for a second. Guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the specs right here, right now. It should be popping up on your screen. And this laptop is pretty much, these are the specs exactly the way the laptop is. It has a 1080 GTX graphics card. This laptop is specifically called the Asus ROG Zephyrus, guys, 501. Okay, this is the 501 edition. This, like I said, this edition came out in early 2018. It was more of like a refurbish, so they dropped a 1080 GTX graphics card in there. And it's just a dope laptop, guys. I did my review. Like I said, for those that do say, oh, you should have just built your own PC. Once again, I am a traveling man. I travel a lot with my family, and traveling does not allow me to build a PC because then I would have to take it apart, ship it, and do all this stuff, and it's just not worth it. It's not worth the time. It's not worth the effort. It's really hard to do that stuff, to find shipping companies and stuff like that. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next shot, and I'll try to be in my green screen. And the next shot will basically have me with gameplay of the Division, and we'll be downloading that right now. So I'm actually going to start downloading the Division right now onto the drive. That and along with Siege will be my main two drivers on this laptop. And if I got any other games like Fortnite, it'll go to my terabyte driver. Okay, so I have an external driver that I'm going to download these games on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, man. Please remember to drop that like, hit that subscribe, show your boys some love, man. Alright? Subscribe. Alright? I'm bringing you games daily. Okay? I love you all, man. It's your boy Wizzy. I'm out. Peace.